I love modeling because it takes me out of my comfort zone. So I'm meeting a lot of new people and it makes me feel more confident about myself and makes me more outgoing, and I just find it really fun. My mom is my inspiration. She's the most beautiful inside and out. She has the kindest heart, and she teaches me to stay true to myself and work hard for what I want. And she's always supporting me with my dreams and goals. So I love that about her. I like to laugh, I like to smile and make weird faces and silly noises, and yeah. One thing I would change about myself is that I'm kind of shy and closed off when I first meet someone, but once I gradually open up, once you get to know me, but I just wish I wasn't as shy. Fitness is very important to me. I grew up being very active as a kid, and my dad and brother are really into sports, so I was taught at a young age to take care of my body and eat healthy. It's like a part of me, it's like my life, and going to the gym every day is my happy place. Social media has changed a lot over the years, and I'm hoping through my fitness and modeling that I can show people how important it is to live a healthy, balanced lifestyle. I made my Instagram a few years ago just to track my own progress of the lifestyle changes I was making. My Instagram is to promote health and fitness in hopes of inspiring other people around the world to live a better life and be more active and eat healthy food.